Hey traders, buckle up because today we're diving deep into something that's going to flip your mindset upside down. This isn't just about trading, it's about owning your journey like a boss. Ready? Let's roll. Here's the thing. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Not your friends, not online, not a soul. Your trading game? It's yours. Your growth? Yours. Your pace? All yours. Focus on you. That's what matters. You don't owe anybody a brag post, a fake smile, nada. Stop chasing shadows and start building your empire. Comparison? That's the devil on your shoulder. It's a soul-crushing trap. You see someone flexing a big win online and think, I'm behind. Newsflash, you're not. Their highlight reel isn't your reality. Everyone's different. You don't see the hard stuff they're hiding. Quit staring at their scoreboard and stack your own wins. And rushing? Don't even get me started. Trying to hit some crazy overnight success expectation? That's just stress you don't need. It's like throwing gasoline on a campfire, blazes fast, then leaves you burned out and broke. Slow down, breathe, and build something real. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your trading legacy won't be either. Here's the golden rule. Trade your way. Take your time. Don't push too hard. No shortcuts, no panic moves. Just pure, steady growth. When you grow naturally, your confidence kicks in, and boom, your success starts climbing. It's not about being the loudest in the room, it's about being the smartest. Here's a punchline for you. Fast money fades, smart money stays. Let that sink in. You're not here to sprint and crash, you're here to marathon your way to the top. Consistency beats hype every single day. Let me get real with you for a sec. I used to be that guy, scrolling, stressing, watching everyone else's trades like a hawk. They're killing it and I'm stuck. It ate me alive. Then one day I said, enough. I shut out the noise, locked into my strategy, and started grinding my way. Guess what? The wins didn't just come, they multiplied. Why? Because I stopped playing someone else's game and owned mine. That's the secret sauce. Focus on you, and the universe pays attention. Let's drop some truth bombs. The only race you're in is against the old you. Leave that version in the dust. Hustle beats hassle every time. Stay calm and cash in. They're loud because they're scared. You're quiet because you're dangerous. Your journey's a masterpiece. Don't let anyone else hold the brush. Success isn't borrowed, it's built. Brick by brick, trade by trade. Feel that? That's the energy you need to carry. You're not here to copy-paste someone else's trades. You're here to write your own story. Let the doubters talk while you stack your profits. Think about this. Every legend you admire, every trader, every mogul started where you are. They didn't win by obsessing over the next guy. They won by trusting their gut, sharpening their skills, and sticking to their lane. You've got that same spark in you. Don't let it flicker out chasing someone else's glow. Here's another zinger. The world doesn't need another copy. It needs your original. You're not a follower. You're a trailblazer. Act like it. Trade like it. Live like it. So here's your wake-up call. This is your story, your shot, your moment. Quit letting the noise drown out your voice. Trust your process. It's tougher than steel and sharper than a blade. Your success will come, and it'll feel epic because it's yours. Stay in your lane, keep your eyes on your prize, and watch how far you fly. You've got this, traders. Go out there and make it yours.